Hi guys, myself 𝐀𝐻𝐿𝐳. So I've currently graduated from BTech in Information Technology with specialization in cybersecurity and digital forensic. Currently I reside in Navi Mumbai. Basically after completing my graduation, I was clueless. Like I just wanted to get into cybersecurity field. After I was looking for a job like as a fresher. So I just got to know by Google the best institute was the Awdiz, which was the best course recommended by Google. So I just contacted with Awdiz Institute where I got to know there was a program was there, like the course was there, like it was 7 to 8 months of course was there, which was a master in cybersecurity as well as in networking. So I just enrolled that course. After enrolling that course, it was just 3 months of training was done by Mr. Ali sir and Debushish sir was my guidance throughout this journey. So for my academics, so he was the lightening up my journey. After doing regression of practicing and enhancing my skill, starting phase I just got placed with a 3.3 LPA package in very good company. After I think after past 6 to 7 months, I was thinking I just wanted to enhance more my skill. So simultaneously I was doing into VAPT as well, Awdiz Institute only. After training and doing regression practice and hard working, I just got with a very good package in a very good company, which is 5.5 LPA. I always recommend every student who is a fresher out from colleges as well. I recommend them to get into, if they are planning to get into an IT field, the Awdiz Institute is the best institute for enhancing their journey. I think it's great stuff. Thank you.